Power, heritage, performance. Three words that have defined the Ford F-150 Shelby for generations. And in 2026, they've all been turned up to 11. What we have here isn't just another truck. It's a muscle machine on four massive wheels, a fusion of raw American strength and Shelby's race-bred DNA. The 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby takes everything people love about the classic F-150, the toughness, the versatility, the unmistakable presence, and injects it with a level of performance and attitude that makes it feel more like a street-legal trophy truck than a daily workhorse. So today, we're diving deep into what makes this new Shelby F-150 so special. From its aggressive design and track-worthy powertrain to its technology, refinement, and the experience that turns every drive into an event. Let's get into it. You know a Shelby when you see one, and the 2026 F-150 Shelby doesn't whisper its identity. It shouts it. This truck's design is bold, sculpted, and unapologetically muscular. Up front, the iconic twin-stripe design runs across a power-bulged hood, immediately setting it apart from the standard F-150 lineup. The new wide-mouth grille, finished in matte black with the Shelby lettering embedded across the top, gives it that menacing stare you only get from performance-bred machines. The LED matrix headlights are slimmer, sharper, and more expressive this year, flanking that signature grille with a piercing glow that almost feels alive. Down below, the reshaped front bumper integrates massive air intakes and a functional splitter, improving cooling and adding a more aerodynamic edge. It's not just form for the sake of drama. Every vent, every contour serves a purpose. Along the sides, you'll notice the widened fenders that house 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance all-terrain tires. They fill the arches perfectly, giving the truck an aggressive stance that says, "Ready for anything." Shelby's side stripes and subtle carbon fiber inserts add just the right touch of sportiness without feeling overdone. And then there's the rear, bold and confident with quad exhaust tips, a redesigned tailgate embossed with the Shelby name, and taillights that flow seamlessly into the bodywork. The combination of aerodynamic tweaks and aggressive detailing gives this F-150 a visual punch that's equal parts power and precision. It's the kind of truck that looks like it's doing 100 miles per hour even when it's standing still. Step inside, and the attitude doesn't fade, it evolves. The 2026 Shelby F-150 interior is a masterclass in balancing rugged durability with refined, performance-inspired luxury. Shelby's touches are everywhere. From the embroidered seats to the carbon fiber dashboard trim and the racing-style aluminum pedals. The seats themselves are newly contoured for 2026, more supportive, with premium leather and Alcantara surfaces that grip you just right during spirited driving. The Shelby logo is proudly embossed into the headrests, while contrast stitching runs along the dashboard and door panels to give the cabin a tailored, high-end look. Front and center sits Ford's latest 15.5-inch portrait-style touchscreen running Sync 5, with faster processing, wireless smartphone integration, and customizable layouts. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster delivers sharp, race-inspired graphics, including special Shelby performance readouts like boost pressure, oil temperature, and lap timers. Storage and practicality haven't been sacrificed either. You still get massive center console space, hidden compartments, and a flat rear floor for hauling gear. Whether you're hitting the dunes, towing a boat, or just cruising the highway, this cabin feels like a command center, luxurious, connected and built for every kind of adventure. And now, the heart of it all, the performance. Because no Shelby would be complete without some serious muscle under the hood. The 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby comes with two main configurations. The base model uses a 5.0-liter Coyote V8, but in true Shelby fashion, it's supercharged, pushing out a jaw-dropping 775 horsepower and over 650 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to rocket this full-size truck from 0 to 60 in around 3.8 seconds. Yes, a truck doing sub 4 seconds, Ford and Shelby have worked together to retune the 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring quicker shifts and sharper response. The drivetrain calibration adapts to different modes, from normal to sport, Baja, and tow haul, giving drivers total control over how the power is delivered. There's also a new hybrid performance variant in development, combining a twin-turbo 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 with an electric motor, producing an estimated 650 horsepower. It's aimed at those who want big torque, better fuel efficiency, and the instant response of electric assistance. The suspension system has also been re-engineered. With Fox Live valve shocks, reinforced control arms, and adjustable ride height, the Shelby F-150 feels planted on tarmac and fearless off-road. Steering is precise for a truck of this size, and the upgraded braking system, with 6-piston Brembos up front, ensures it stops as hard as it goes. In short, this isn't just about brute power. It's about control, balance, and confidence, the essence of Shelby performance philosophy. Now, let's talk tech, because even the most powerful truck in the world needs brains to match the brawn. Ford's latest driver assist suite, Blue Cruise 2.2, is standard on the Shelby, allowing hands-free driving on compatible highways. It monitors lane positioning, traffic, and driver alertness with astonishing accuracy. You also get 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, pre-collision braking, and blind spot coverage that extends to your trailer. For off-road lovers, there's a front-facing terrain camera, a new trail assist system, and active pitch control to help manage steep descents. Inside, wireless charging, premium Bang & Olufsen sound, and over-the-air updates round out the tech experience. Everything about the cabin feels smarter and more intuitive, like a luxury performance SUV that just happens to wear a truck badge as, for when you can get your hands on one, the 2026 Ford F-150. Shelby is expected to hit dealerships in mid-2025, with a starting price rumored around $130,000 depending on configuration and options. That's undeniably premium territory, but you're paying for exclusivity, performance, and the Shelby badge, a combination that has always commanded respect and rarity. Compared to its competitors, think the Ram TRX, GMC Sierra AT4X, and even Ford's own Raptor R. The Shelby F-150 stands apart as a more limited production, street and track-oriented powerhouse. It's not just about dominating the dirt. It's about making a statement wherever it goes. While the Raptor remains Ford's off-road king, the Shelby F-150 is the brand's street fighter, the kind of truck that'll leave sports cars embarrassed at a stoplight. And that brings us to the big picture. The 2026 F-150 Shelby isn't here to reinvent the pickup. It's here to redefine what a high-performance truck can be. It takes Ford's century-old legacy of toughness and combines it with Carroll Shelby's philosophy of speed and precision. The result? A machine that's equal parts workhorse, race car, and showpiece. Every element, from its sculpted lines and supercharged engine to its advanced tech, speaks to the passion behind its creation. It's loud, it's confident, and it's pure Americana distilled into steel and horsepower. When you stand next to it, you don't just see a truck, you feel the history, the engineering, and the emotion that only a Shelby can deliver. Because the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby isn't just built to drive, it's built to dominate. If this beast made your pulse race even a little, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive reviews, and share this with someone who still thinks trucks can't be exciting. Because the Shelby F-150 is here to prove them wrong, one thunderous rev at a time.